Okay, so normally you're in a wuji posture, empty posture, feet shoulder width apart, but this time we're gonna bring our legs in a little bit, and we're gonna do a slight bend here. We're gonna bend those knees a little bit here. Just test your knees, you know, make sure you can do the movement here. So just a little pulsing here for a little bit, for a couple times here. Okay, then we're gonna rotate those knees. We're gonna rotate the knees 3 times one way, okay? So here we go. And just breathe normally as you do this. Nice rotation here. I'm rotating my knees outward, then back. So I go to the side, back, other side, forward, and we go. Breathe naturally. Then when you kind of get back to where you were, go the other way. Do it about 3 times here. If you're confident in your balance, you could do a couple more sets if you wanted to here.